The Caterpillar 797B is not just a truck, it's the king of mining machines. Imagine something as tall as a two-story house and as heavy as a small ship. This truck can carry over 360 tons of rock in one load. If you lined up 12 pickup trucks, the 797B could haul them all at the same time. It's a monster, and it's built for one thing: moving mountains in the world's biggest mines. Most trucks are made for highways or farm fields. The 797B laughs at those roads. It was born to live in the harshest places on Earth. Giant open-pit mines where every second and every ton counts. Here, size matters. The bigger the truck, the fewer trips it needs to make. That means more rock moved, faster and cheaper. But building something this big is not easy. Every part, from its steel bones to its roaring engine, must be tough and precise. It's like making a watch the size of a house. Every gear must fit, every bolt must hold. If anything fails, mining stops. That's why the 797B is a legend among machines. This essay will take you inside the world of the 797B. You'll see how it's built, piece by giant piece, by teams working across the globe. Let's step into the world of giants. No single factory can build the 797B from start to finish. Its parts are simply too big and complex. Instead, Caterpillar relies on a worldwide network. Each piece is created in a specialized plant, using the best experts and the best tools. The frame might come from the United States, while the engine is made in another country. The tires are so big, only a few factories in the world can make them. Why do this? Because making a truck this size takes special skills and machines. It's like building a jumbo jet. Wings from one place, engines from another, all finally coming together. Every part must fit perfectly, or the whole truck won't work. The factories are linked by careful planning, constant communication, and years of experience. After each part is built, it must be shipped, sometimes by train, sometimes by special trucks, even by ship across oceans. The parts arrive at the assembly site, often right at the mine itself, in huge crates. There, a team of experts puts everything together, step by step. This global system means the best people and machines are used for every job. It's teamwork on a grand scale, a true example of worldwide cooperation. The frame of the 797B is its backbone. Made from thick, high-strength steel, it must handle the weight of the truck and its enormous load. Building this frame isn't just welding and bolting. It starts with casting giant pieces of steel, then machining them to exact shapes. Every millimeter matters. If the frame isn't perfect, the whole truck could fail under stress. After casting, workers use huge machines to drill holes, cut edges, and check every surface. They use lasers and computer scanners to measure parts down to tiny fractions of an inch. Each weld is checked and checked again. One bad spot could mean cracks when the truck hits a bump with a full load. Once the frame pieces are ready, they are painted with special coatings. These protect the steel from rust, mud, and the harsh chemicals found in mines. The finished parts are so big that moving them takes giant cranes and thick steel cables. When all is done, the frame is strong enough to hold a herd of elephants. It's the foundation for everything else that comes next. The engine in the 797B is a beast. It's as big as a small car, and it delivers over 3,500 horsepower. That's enough to pull a train. Making this engine is a job for specialists. They start with tough metal parts, cylinders, pistons, and crankshafts, each designed to take extreme heat and pressure. First, each part is forged, then carefully machined. Workers use robots and computer-controlled tools to make sure every surface is smooth and every hole is the right size. The engine is assembled in clean, high-tech rooms. Even a tiny speck of dirt could cause problems in such a powerful machine. After putting the pieces together, the engine is tested again and again. It is run at full power for hours, checked for leaks, strange noises, and even tiny changes in temperature. If it passes, it's packed up for the trip to the assembly site. This engine is what makes the 797B move, even when it's carrying more weight than a blue whale. It's not just strong, it's smart and efficient, built to last for years in brutal conditions. The tires on the 797B are a wonder all by themselves. Each one is over 13 feet tall and weighs as much as a small car. Only a handful of factories in the world can make them, using a secret mix of rubber, steel, and special fibers. The process starts with layers of rubber and fabric, pressed and shaped in giant molds. Inside each tire are steel wires, hundreds of them, woven into tough belts. These help the tires carry the truck's huge weight, while also handling sharp rocks and deep mud. The rubber is baked in ovens as big as a garage, curing it until it's tough as old boots. After curing, each tire is inspected by hand and machine. Workers look for flaws, measure every part, and even use X-rays to check inside. A single bad tire could mean disaster in the mine, so nothing is left to chance. When finished, these tires are shipped on special trucks. Mounting them on the 797B takes cranes and muscle. Each tire is a giant in its own right. Power isn't enough for the 797B. It needs to be smart too. That's where hydraulics and control systems come in. Hydraulics use oil and pistons to lift, tilt, and steer this monster truck. These systems are built in clean rooms where every hose and valve is tested for leaks and strength. The control systems are like the truck's brain. Engineers install computers, sensors, and wires that help the driver control every part of the machine. Want to lift the dump bed? Just push a button. Need to check engine health? The computer shows every detail on a screen. These systems help the 797B run smoothly, avoid breakdowns, and even warn about problems before they happen. Making these systems takes a mix of old-school skill and new technology. Workers must be careful. One bad wire or leaky hose can stop the whole truck. That's why every piece is tested, then tested again, before it ever meets the rest of the truck. Without these brains and muscles, the 797B would be just a big hunk of steel. With them, it becomes a true workhorse. All over the world, huge pieces of the 797B come together at the assembly site. Here, teams of experts use giant cranes to lift the frame, set the engine in place, and bolt on the tires. This is no small job. Each step must be done in the right order. One mistake, and the whole process stops. First, the frame is set up on a special pad. Then the engine is lowered in, bolted down with massive fasteners. Next come the axles, the wheels, and then the huge dump bed. Workers climb up ladders and use power tools as big as your arm. It's a mix of muscle, machine, and know-how. As the parts join, the truck begins to look like the monster it is. Wiring and hoses are connected. The cab, where the driver sits, is set on top, filled with computers and controls. Every step is checked by supervisors and engineers. Safety is key. No shortcuts allowed. When assembly is done, the 797B is ready for its final tests. But the work isn't over yet. Before the 797B ever hauls its first load, it faces a brutal series of tests. Workers run the engine, checking for leaks or odd noises. They drive the truck around test tracks, over hills and rough ground. Hydraulics are pushed to their limits, lifting, tilting, and dumping again and again. Engineers watch every move, collecting data from hundreds of sensors. They look for anything that might go wrong: hot spots, weak welds, or slow computers. If a problem pops up, the truck goes back for repairs or changes. Safety is the top priority. A failure in the mine could mean lost time, lost money, or worse. After passing all these tests, the truck is cleaned and checked one more time. Only then is it handed over to the mining company. Even after delivery, service teams stay close by, ready to help with repairs or upgrades. These tests make sure the 797B is ready for the toughest jobs on Earth. Nothing is left to chance. Why build a truck this big? The answer is simple. Mining needs it. Moving more rock with each trip means fewer trucks, less fuel, and lower costs. The 797B makes mining faster, safer, and more efficient. It's a symbol of what humans can do when they work together and push the limits of engineering. But the 797B is more than just a truck. It's a marvel of teamwork, precision, and innovation. Engineers, welders, machinists, and drivers all bring their skills to make it possible. Each part, from the smallest sensor to the biggest tire, is a piece of a giant puzzle. Building the 797B teaches us about the power of global cooperation. No one country, company, or person could do it alone. It takes planning, trust, and a drive for perfection. And in the end, the 797B helps provide the metals and minerals that fuel our world, from the copper in your phone to the steel in your car. So next time you see a giant machine at work, remember, it's more than steel and rubber. It's a story of people, passion, and the quest to move mountains.